Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology. I'm climatologist Lynette Bedio.
And I'm hydrologist Claire McCluskey. We're here to discuss the climate and water outlook for January to March. Well, after a relatively dry and warm November, it's been a wet start to summer in some parts of the country. Can we expect these wetter conditions to persist throughout summer, Lynn?
Well, looking at the rainfall outlook for January to March, we can see those increased chances for above average rainfall across much of eastern Australia, especially across parts of eastern Queensland.
And what's driving these wetter conditions?
Well, we still have that La Nina active in the tropical Pacific. So with a La Nina event, we have those cooler waters in the east and those warmer waters near Australia. And that really brings more moisture into our region. So we do tend to see above average rainfall across large parts of eastern Australia over the summer period. But as you said, however it was that dry November than we would normally see during a La Nina. So we had other drivers such as the MJO impacting on Australia's climate and suppressing that above average rainfall that we'd normally see during a La Nina event. So how has this impacted on the water situation, Claire?
Well, if we take a look at soil moisture, we can see that recent rainfall has really had an impact in northwest and Western Australia where the soils have wetted up. However, across the country, throughout Central Australia and certainly into Queensland, we've seen a lot of drying out. Further south along the eastern coastline of Australia, catchments are still reasonably wet with average to above average soil moisture conditions. So in areas where the soils are wet and higher rainfalls are expected, there is increased potential for widespread flooding. And we're seeing that play out at the moment in northeastern New South Wales. We've seen some flooding in the recent weeks. But looking ahead, the latest streamflow outlook to February suggests normal to low stream flows at more than 50% of locations. However, we are expecting high stream flows at almost a quarter of locations, mainly concentrated along the eastern coastline. But shifting gears a little bit, what can we expect for temperatures in the coming months, Lynn?
Well, for daytime temperatures, it's looking likely for above average daytime temperatures over Tasmania and also parts of far western Australia and parts of northern Australia along the coastline there. For nighttime temperatures, large parts of Australia are expecting above average nighttime temperatures.
Thanks for that, Lynn. That's all from us today. With the increased risk of flooding in the coming months, please keep up to date on our website and listen to your local emergency services. And we'll see you in the new year.